going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all make sure to subscribe, like, and leave some feedback. So I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not, take a deep breath and be grateful that you woke up today. All right, now let's get straight to the video. So I have some clear tail lights that I got from my Lexus IS300. So let's get right to it. Let's unbox these bad boys. The only thing that I see that's different is that it has this little guy right here, and I'm supposed to, I think, put that onto the body. It has some 3M tape, but they look amazing. Look at that. Here are the little guys. So next up to remove these is just 2 bolts, and then they should come straight off, and then I'm just gonna disconnect the lights. So I got this side on. Look at those bad boys. Ooh. So before I shoved it all in there, I just wanted to make sure and test it. Got everything wired up. I just gotta clean this right here, and that's where this little guy right here is gonna go with the 3M tape. So that's gonna go right there. Boom. They work. I'm going with the ones on the left. What do you guys think? Left or right? I got one side on. So I wasn't able to put that little like motherboard thing. So what I did, I had already cleaned my my rear bash bar. So I just mounted that thing since I had adhesive. I put it on there for now, but I gotta fix that later. But I got on the left side. Now let's move on to the right side. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Left and right are done. Here are the old ones. Now up next, I'm gonna be removing these smoked ones too, and putting in the new ones. And I pretty much broke every clip. Luckily I have some clips, but I don't have them with me. I won't be able to put these on a day. I ran into some issues. So on this one, as you can see, it has a different connection. How am I supposed to connect it to this? So I gotta buy an adapter, one of these that connects to that. Man, this sucks. So I'll be doing another video after I buy that part, so I could connect the trunk lights. So pretty much all those clips that I broke were for nothing. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and y'all make sure to take care and enjoy.